Come here, Dylan. Santa came, buddy.
Oh, Merry Christmas!
Nana! You hear Nana?
Mommy, come on.
Say hurry, Daddy.
Ho, ho, ho!
Mommy.
Look, Dylan. Look. Look over there. Wait. You see Nana and Papa? But look over there. Look under the
What
tree.
is that? Look!
Dylan.
What's behind you?
Dylan. Over here, baby.
Look at that tree.
Dylan. Hey. Look. Turn around. Look at all those presents. Wow.
Wow.
You see all the presents? Bring them over here, okay? Bring it over here.
Stop. I'm waiting it. Yeah.
We can't see.
You gonna wait on Daddy?
Yeah. Daddy.
Let's back up some. There you go.
That's.
Wow. Yeah, Mommy will have to get that off for you, but
Okay.
let's wait on Daddy and then we'll get another one, okay?
Okay.
So Daddy say, hurry, Daddy.
Boy
You see more presents?
day. Yeah.
Wow, huh? Santa Claus came.
I'm
There's
here.
two. What
Yeah.
does it say?
They're all to Daddy, or Dylan.
Huh?
They're all to Dylan.
Yeah.
It says to the Ziggler.
Well, that one's to the Zigglers. That one's to Mommy and Daddy, okay? Can I hold it?
Yeah.
Okay, Mommy's gonna put it over here, okay? Okay. There's Daddy. Good morning, Daddy.
Santa come?
Did Santa bring you presents?
Hello.
You're just gonna bring them over? You're not gonna open them?
Be right back.
Yeah, open them, baby.
Now you can open it.
Open. Turn it over. Oh, you got a pretty bow. You see a pretty bow?
Stick it on your head.
Put it on your head.
Stick it on your head.
Yay! It doesn't come off. Look, Dylan. Turn it over. Can you turn it over?
Yeah.
Okay, look. Pull there. Pull right there. Pull it. Open
Pull
it
it.
up. Here, look.
Oh.
Right here now.
Oh.
Rip it. Sit down, baby. You want to sit down?
No.
Yeah, sit down and open it. Here, look. Rip it.
Oh. That's for us.
Woohoo!
Wow.
Is that a snowman?
He's Rose Man.
Swose man? It's a swose man.
Yeah. Let's get off.
Yeah, take it off. Daddy, can you bring a knife or something and help
What's
him?
that?
Can you bring a knife or something and help him?
Yeah.
Do that.
Just put it on the ground, buddy.
Oh. Wow.
Come here, buddy. Open.
Are you trash?
Okay. We're gonna throw the trash in the box though, okay? Can you put it in the box?
Yeah.
Good job. Bring that box over here, okay?
Okay.
Bring it over here. Can you get the box and bring it over here?
Yep.
No, the big one on top. Get the big one on top.
You want that?
Okay, I'll get Daddy to get it. Come on, come open more presents, buddy.
Oh.
You gonna keep opening
Wow.
presents? Yeah. Come sit down right here. Sit down right there. Mommy's gonna stop recording now. Say Merry Christmas.
Christmas.
Say love you.
Love